Good morning, dear students. This is Nayab, your math teacher, and we are discussing further expansions and factorization of quadratic expressions, which is chapter 4, and we are discussing exercise 4a. Question number 8. Expand each of the following expressions, and we have a question here. As you can see that there are two brackets, and within each bracket there are some variables written. So let's copy this question as a first step. And you can see that I have taken the first member of the first bracket and multiplied with the whole of the second bracket, and then the second member of the first bracket and multiply with the whole bracket. So when you're going to multiply a with a, you're going to get a square. And when you're going to multiply a with minus b, you're going to get minus ab. Similarly, when you're going to multiply plus 3b with a, you're going to get plus 3ab. And when you're going to multiply plus 3b with minus b, you're going to get minus 3b square. Once done, we are going to see that this whole expression is arranged in like terms. So you can see that the middle terms are a, b. So that means they are arranged already. So the answer probably would be a square, since both of them are in opposite signs. So you're going to subtract them. So 1 minus, or you can say 3 minus 1 is 2. But you're going to put a sign of greater number. So answer would be a square plus 2ab minus 3b square. Let's proceed to the next part. 3k minus 4, 5h minus h minus 7k. So you're going to take the first member of the first bracket and multiply with the entire second bracket, and take minus 5h from the first bracket and multiply with the entire second bracket, just like this. So when you multiply 3k with minus h, you're going to get minus 3hk. Remember, you're going to write in alphabetic order. And when you're going to multiply plus 3k with minus 7k, you're going to get minus 21k square. Similarly, minus 5h times minus h, you're going to get plus, since minus is plus, 5h square. Minus 5h times minus 7k will give you plus 35hk. Remember, you have to arrange it in this way, that you're going to write the square terms first and the square terms at the end. Since k comes before h, so you're going to arrange it like this: 5h square minus h 3hk plus 35hk minus 21k square, because h comes before k. So that's why h is coming here first. Now you're going to solve the middle term here, which is both hk. So 35 minus 3 gives you 32. So the answer would be 5h square plus 32hk minus 21k square. Please pause the video and solve question number 8, B and D parts. Let's proceed to the next question. Expand each of the following expressions. Now here we have got a question where 5x is written outside this bracket. That means you're going to expand this by multiplying 5 with x and then 5 with minus 6y. But here you have got two brackets. That means you're going to take the first member of the first bracket and multiply with the entire second bracket, and the second member of the first bracket and multiply with the entire second bracket. So when you're going to multiply 5x with x, you're going to get 5x square, and multiply 5x with minus 6y, you're going to get 30xy. Now once you multiply x with 3x, you're going to get 3x square, and x with minus 4y, you're going to get minus 4xy. And this will be written as it is in the next step. Similarly, when you multiply plus 3y into 3x, you're going to get plus 9xy, and 3y times minus 4y will give you 12y square. Now please arrange this x square with x square and xy with xy, and this y square only comes once only. Now 5x square plus 3x square gives you 8x square, and this minus 12x square is single, so you're going to copy this down in the next step. You can add the two negative terms, which will give you minus 34xy, and then you can copy plus 9xy in the second step. Now you're going to solve the middle term. Minus 34xy plus 9xy gives you what? Minus 25xy. So answer is x square minus 25xy minus 12y square. Please pause the video and solve question number 9, part B. Once solved, resume the video. Let's proceed to question number 10. Expand each of the following expressions. Now, the difference between this question and the previous is this. The second bracket has got 3 terms inside. X plus 3y plus 1. So you're going to take the first member of the first bracket and multiply with the entire second bracket with 3 terms in it. And then take the second member of the first bracket and multiply with the entire second bracket. Just like this. X into x gives you x square. X times 3y gives you plus 3xy. And x times plus 1 gives you plus x. Similarly, plus 9y times x gives you plus 9xy. Plus 9y times 3y gives you plus 21. No, plus 27. 9 3 is 27. 27y square. Plus 9y times 1 gives you plus 9y. Now please arrange this in order, just like this. So x square, and this is x, so this cannot be added obviously. So you're going to add the middle terms only. Just solve the middle terms here. 3xy plus 9xy, these are like terms. You're going to get plus 12xy here. So the answer will be x square plus x plus 12xy plus 9y plus 27y square. Pause the video and solve question number 10, part B. Once solved, please resume the video. Let's go to question number 11. Factorize each of the following expressions. Remember, factorization is done by multiplying the first and the last number. If you multiply 1 with minus 4, you're going to get minus 4. Remember, you're going to break this middle term in such a way that you're going to choose two numbers. When you're going to multiply them, you're going to get minus 4. And when you're going to add them, you're going to get plus 3. So 1 4s are 4. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So you're going to break the middle term in this way. Plus 4ab minus ab. Because you're going to subtract this and you're going to write the sign of the greater number. So you're going to get plus 3b ab. So within the first batch, so this will be grouped together and this will be grouped together. So within these first two terms, you can take only a as common. And in the next, you can only take minus b as common because both of them have a negative sign. So you can take minus sign also as common, and there is only one b that can be taken as common. So if you take a as common, you will be left with a plus 4b within the bracket. And when you're going to take minus b as common, you will be left with a plus 4b inside the bracket. So you're going to write the common factors first, which is a plus 4b, and then uncommon factors later, which is a minus b. Let's see the last part, which is f. Here we have got 2r squared t minus 9rst plus 10s squared t. So if you multiply 2 with plus 10, you're going to get plus 20. So you're going to break 9 minus 9 in such a way that when you're going to multiply the two numbers, you're going to get plus 20. And when you add or subtract, you should get minus 9. So 5 times 4 is 20, and minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9. So 5 and 4 will be the factors. So you're going to break minus 9 like this: minus 4 RST minus 5 RST. So when you're going to add them, you're going to get minus 9 RST. And when you're going to multiply minus 4 with minus 5, you're going to get plus 20. So you're going to group into batches. The first group will have 2 R and T as common, because 2 can be taken as common and both of them have R. So you choose the lowest power and then T also as common. In this one, you can only take minus 5 ST as common. So once you're going to take common 2RT, you'll be left with R minus 2S inside. And when you're going to take minus 5 ST as common, you're going to get R minus 2S inside the bracket. Remember that both of these brackets should be similar. So you're going to write the common factors first, which is R minus 2S first, and then you're going to write uncommon factors, which is 2RT minus 5ST. So with this, you this exercise 4A is completed. Pardon me, this should be T here, not R. So this is an error. This should be a T here. And let me quickly change this. So there I have corrected this. This is R minus 2S. And then the second factor will be 2RT minus 5ST. So with this, we have completed exercise 4A. And in the next video, we are going to start exercise 4B. Until then, please take care of yourself and keep practicing more and more.